How to remove email from Roblox account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove email from Roblox account. To remove an email from your Roblox account, you will need to follow these steps. Before that, keep in mind that you will not be able to completely remove an email address. You will have to replace it with a new one. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device and at the search bar type roblox.com. Once you have typed this keyword, press the enter button to search it. You will be taken to the official website of Roblox. Here make sure you are logged in to your account. Now once logged in, at the right top you will find the gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access the menu. And from the menu that appears, click on the settings option. Once you do so, you will be taken to the account setting page. Here under username, you will find your email address. You will find this pencil icon at the right side of it. Click on it to update or change the email address. Here a dialog box will appear informing you that the account email will not change until the new email has been verified. You will have to verify your new email, only then you will be able to change your old email. Now in this box, enter your new email address. Once you have entered your new email address here, now click on this change email button at the bottom. Now a verification code will be sent to your old email address. Go and check your email to get this code. Once you get the email, open the email and copy the code sent to you. Return back to the previous page and enter that code in this box. It will process and then a confirmation will be sent to your email address informing you that your email has been successfully verified. Click on this OK button and go and check your mail. There you will get a confirmation email to reset your email. So after doing this, refresh your browser and then you will see you have successfully added a new email or changed your email on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.